Hey there, coin collectors and history enthusiasts. Welcome back my YouTube channel CoinZF, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of rare coins, their history, and how to spot hidden treasures. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on a coin discovery that could change your life. In today's video, we're going to talk about an extraordinary coin, the 2005 dime, that's valued at a jaw-dropping $43,000 million. Yes, you heard that right. We're diving into the history, the factors that contribute to its incredible value, and how you might just be sitting on a fortune without even knowing it. Grab a seat and let's get started. Before we jump into the specifics of this rare 2005 dime, let's talk about what a dime is for our newer viewers. A dime is a 10-cent coin in the United States, first introduced in 1796. It's one of the smaller coins in the U.S. Mint, measuring just 17.91 millimeters in diameter, but don't let its size fool you. It has some incredible history behind it. Now, in 2005, the United States Mint produced millions of dimes for circulation, featuring the familiar design by John R. Cynic. The obverse features Franklin D. Roosevelt, the 32nd President of the United States, and the reverse showcases a torch, olive branch, and oak branch, symbolizing liberty, peace, and strength. But here's where things get interesting. Despite the fact that millions of these coins were minted, one specific 2005 dime has gone on to gain a reputation as one of the rarest and most valuable in the world at SO. Why is a regular 2005 dime worth $43,000 million? That's where the mystery begins. You see, in 2005, a small number of dimes were accidentally struck with an error. Some of these coins were struck with a double die, meaning the design was stamped twice, creating a distortion. This minting mistake is incredibly rare and made these coins highly sought after by collectors. Now, you may be wondering, what exactly is a double die error? Essentially, it's a misalignment that occurs when a coin is struck more than once with the same die. The result? A coin with blurry or duplicated features, which is exactly what happened to these 2005 dimes. That on these particular dimes, the error was very subtle but distinct. The lettering and details on the coin appeared doubled or slightly shifted. To the untrained eye, these coins might look like any other dime, but to a seasoned numismatist, they're a hidden treasure. Now, if you're lucky enough to have a 2005 dime in your collection, how can you tell if it's one of these rare, highly valuable double die errors? Well, here's where things get exciting. You'll want to look closely at the lettering, especially the Liberty inscription and the date, 2005. If you notice any doubling or distortion, congratulations, you might have a treasure on your hands. Double check the "In God We Trust" area as well. Another key place to look for doubling is around the rim of the coin. If you see any additional imprints or blurry edges, that's a telltale sign. But remember, even small imperfections can be worth a lot in the world of coin collecting. So, how exactly did this specific 2005 dime get valued at $43,000 million? The value of a coin is influenced by its rarity, condition, and demand. In the case of this error coin, only a handful were made with the double die mistake. With so few of them out there, collectors and investors have bid the value up significantly. As of recent auctions, these error coins have sold for as much as $43,000 million. That's a massive return on a 10-cent coin. So, if you find one, you might just have a small fortune on your hands. If you think you have one of these rare 2005 dimes, the next step is to authenticate it. Coin experts and grading services can help confirm whether your dime is the real deal. The most trusted grading services in the industry include PCGS, Professional Coin Grading Service, and NGC, Numismatic Guarantee Corporation. They'll provide you with a grade that reflects the coin's condition, which is a huge factor in determining its value. Give us more insight into the world of rare coins and what makes them so valuable. We're joined today by numismatist CoinZF. Thanks for sharing that amazing knowledge. As you can see, finding a rare coin like the 2005 dime can be life-changing for collectors. But it's important to do your research and work with professionals. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever come across a coin that turned out to be worth way more than you thought? Drop a comment below and tell me your coin hunting stories. And don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of rare coins that wrap things up. The 2005 dime with the double die error is an extraordinary piece of history, and it's out there waiting to be discovered. Whether you're an experienced collector or just starting out, keep your eyes peeled and always check the details because you never know what hidden gems you might find in your collection. Thanks for tuning into CoinZF. If you liked today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more coin tips, valuable finds, and fascinating stories. Until next time, happy hunting. Check out these other videos to dive deeper into the world of rare coins. See you in the next one.